Hi guys, I just wanted to make you a quick update. I did the base as I told you, and then I had to use this base, and I saw that there were 6 more stitches. And this came from the first row where we added 5 stitches, but actually we add 4 stitches, not 5. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you about this mistake because we don't add +5 but we have +4, which means that the total quantity of the both sides is not 74 but is 72 stitches. So if you need to start the project with 220 stitches like I did, actually you should start with 74 stitches and not 75, because it's 1 more stitch, and by 6 rows it will have 6 more stitches. So I apologize about this, and I'm sorry these mistakes happen sometimes of the miscounting. I hope this helps you, and I hope to see you soon in the next project that I'm preparing for you. Thank you.